Hi there, it's Andy from Brown Dog Gadgets. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at our day 1 of week 2 circuit. That's our resistor tester circuit. And in order to correctly assemble it, we're going to need to gather the following parts. We'll need 4 resistors, a battery, our battery holder, a female header, and our LED. As with all of our circuits, we're also going to need to lay down some pathways made of conductive maker tape atop our green Lego base plate. And when completed correctly, they should look like this. With our tape paths laid down correctly, the components we gathered earlier should fit nicely within the gaps to look like this. Some important things to consider with regards to the orientation of your parts are first with regards to the LED's position. Make sure the black stripe of the LED chip connects to the orange corner of the battery holder. Next, while swapping resistors in and out of our female header, make sure that one of the resistor terminals or legs connects to the middle hole of the female header, while the other leg connects to the hole nearest to the LED in the circuit. With the circuit working, we should notice that the light is in fact on, but at a much different brightness in comparison to the circuits we've seen in week 1. When swapping a different resistor into the same female header of the same circuit, you should notice a difference in brightness. That's it for today's circuit. For a more in-depth look at our curriculum, visit browndoggadgets.com.